Day was you greeted happy birthday last week.
Sa school?
No,
Saan?
you have a video. Happy birthday, Ate
Kati
and
Ate
Teen. See you soon, you said. So what is your gift for Ate Kati and Teen? It's their birthday.
I didn't bring.
Wow, you know gift, but Ate Kati and Teen has a gift for Alonso. Unbox your gift from Ate Kati.
This one?
Wow, yeah, that's a Pokemon character. Sabi ni Kuya Daniel, you love that.
I love
You
it.
can open it.
The long way.
That's Ate Kati and Teen's gift for you. And this pa, oh. Ate Kati bought you
Seaweed.
seaweeds. You want that, you said. Your mom said. And this one.
Oh.
And this one.
What's that? Oh, that.
So that's the gift of Ate Kati and Teen to Alonso. Even if it's their birthday. Si Ate Kat and Teen ang nagbigay ng gift kay Alonso. What will you say to Ate Kati and Teen?
Thank you po.
Yeah, you're welcome. Sabi ni Ate Kati and Teen.